The Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya had organized a program on the 15th of December 2022 at the State Convention Centre, Shillong, where the Minister in charge of the department, Lahkmen Rymbui, graced the event as chief guest in the presence of the Secretary Education Department, Ambrose Ch Marak, the State Project Director of the SSA Meghalaya, Rosetta M Kurbah, besides other officials of the Education Department, school students, teachers and others. The program was organized to announce the launch of various projects that include the distribution of incentives to cook helpers under the PM Poshan Scheme, the mobilisation of PM SHRI schools or Schools for Rising India, the distribution of teaching and learning devices to schools under CLAMP, the launch of the Vidya Amrit Mahotsav or VAM, and the second virtual launch of the Phase 1 of 50 government lower primary schools under the Meghalaya Infrastructure Upgradation program. Speaking during the event, the Minister of Education, Lahkmen Rymbui, said that while challenges in the education sector are innumerable, yet the state government of Meghalaya is doing its best to address issues on the improvement and upgradation of schools and other educational institutions, and also to improve learning conditions of over 10 lakh students, and also to look into the well-being of over 60,000 teachers across the state.
But as I used to say, we have to know how to filter the voice from the noise. And in education, it is not a very easy sector which you can do, you can commit, or instantly you can fulfill. An education sector is very challenging because we are dealing with living fire. Just imagine, we have 7 lakh students who are provided with midday meal. We are dealing with those 7 lakh plus souls. Just imagine, we are dealing with more than 60,000 teachers from pre-primary till college who are directly government aided or deficit. And just imagine, we are dealing with more than 10 lakh children, students. If we look at the figure, it is not very easy to oversee this department, not very easy to listen, to take a decision, because as I said, we are dealing with living fire. Education has so many sectors, but I'm very happy, I'm very thankful to all my team in Department of Education, under the guidance of Honorable Chief Minister, which from the day one, we have said that education is a top priority.